So, such a wonderful mind. Mind is having a lot of potentiality. So, it is speeder than the light. Light is what? Nothing. Light is what? Nothing. One element of 5 elements. You know, this nervous system has been made with 5 elements. Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandh. Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandh. A Roop is light, nothing but. I'll again discuss about this. Each topic is a wonderful topic. If we are going on talking about, it goes like anything. So I just have come only up to the 5th state of consciousness. What will happen in this 5th state of consciousness? You start cognizing the reality of the nature, reality of the Creator, reality of this pure consciousness, reality of this unbounded awareness. That is what. And you are living in that 4th state of consciousness. You are in that unbounded and you are just witnessing. What you are witnessing? Your entire the nervous system has become the super nervous system. Entire the body has become super body. Your mind has become the super mind. So your limbs have become super limbs. Your eyes have become super eyes, and eye lens have become 100% of mental potentiality. It can cognize the universe, whatever they are, how they are just moving, how the galaxies are moving, how the solar system is moving. You can see this wall, it is now hindering what is there outside. When you are becoming the Superman, you can cognize the people who are outside the wall. It's true. Condition, you have to you have to reach to that 5th state of consciousness. Array, with this mind we have just created the X-rays. What X-rays are doing? You can do more than X-rays. You can reach to the X-ray, gamma ray, beta rays. Infrared, do, so many. So whatever it is there in the spectrum. Then, don't you believe this wonderful thing? So the 5th state of consciousness, you start cognizing every secrets of the nature. When you are seeing the beautiful nature, you start praising the nature who has created this. You are just praising the Creator who has created this beautiful flower. You are not seeing only the beautiful flower, also seeing the sap. Then what you feel? Oh, wonderful. What your greatness. My master. Master means I am just taking the shape of the master. Actually it is in a consciousness. Oh my master, how beautiful you have created these flowers. So beautiful, so wonderful fragrance. And he is seeing the sap as well as how the sap is converting or manifesting into different forms of this. And if you go in front of a person who is in this 5th state of consciousness, cosmic consciousness, so he is seeing as you are. If suppose you are Ramesh, he is seeing you as an Ramesh, but he is also seeing how you are structured. He is seeing your lungs, he is seeing your heart, how it is pumping the blood. He is seeing your brain, intestines. Already become super consciousness. He is witnessing you as Ramesh. He is just speaking with Ramesh and also enjoying the creation of the Creator. How wonderful this is. He is seeing any object as an object, and also seeing the atomic structure which is there inside. Every matter is nothing but the atomic structure. Atoms are there, whether it is wood or it is a stone, whether it is whatever, each and everything, nature is existed. Take it granted. That means life is there in each every material, matter, object. How can you say that? Yes, it is true. When you take a stone, it is made up of atoms or not. You can't deny that. Every matter existing in this universe is made up of atoms. And it just go into the atom. What will you see? Nucleus. Protons and neutrons combine together, making the nucleus. Electrons are moving around the nucleus with great speed. So when there is a motion inside an atom, then activity is there, life is there. How can you say there is no life? Yeah, for an ignorant mind it looks like in a stone, but it is there everywhere. In this atmosphere, atoms are there. So, you are witnessing all these secrets of the nature, and every minute, you are just praising the Creator. Oh God, what a cloud you have made. Oh God, what is the flower you made. Oh God, what is the plant you have made. Oh God, how this plastic bottle has been made, how this cooler has been made, how this chair. So he is just witnessing atomic structure in this. Every minute, every second is just in the happiness. He doesn't want anything, worldly pleasures. Always worried about the God and God. This is the state of Mirabai. This is the state of Prabhupada. This is the state of Annamacharya. This is the state of every enlightened person. They are just having this state of consciousness, fifth state of consciousness. Mirabai, just Krishna. She is just seeing everywhere Krishna. So she was cognizing the consciousness. Jo icha manave karwai, I told now. So she is just icha. Her vision is in the form of Krishna. So he is there in the form of Krishna. I can't see. Only she. Prabhupada also. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama. He was just witnessing the Krishna and also running in the streets. He was just witnessing. So, how they reached to that without masters, I will explain you another video. But they are just witnessing, they are enlightened. Sai Baba. He used to see, always been seeing somewhere, so he is just speaking to the something. That means nature, God. He cognized Rama, he cognized Krishna, he cognized Jesus, he cognized Muhammad, Guru Nanak. So what is this ism? I will also speak in another video. So in this way, all these enlightened people, they are just... They know, they don't bother all these luxuries. Never. Really enlightened person doesn't want all these dirty things. Maybe if they are coming, let them come, but he is untouchable. Just like a drop on a lotus leaf. Have you seen the lotus leaf? If you put a drop on that, it will be just untouchable. Here also the same thing. Your consciousness is different and you are different. Duality. Witnessing separation. So, when you are always 24 hours, you are just speaking about the God. Whoever is coming to you, ha, ho. Wonderful, wonderful, hey. Everyone comes. You are just speaking about that Creator, wonderful, who has created this creation. So, others who are just coming to you, they are all great people. So, who are witnessing you, thinking that you are a man of God. God means the super consciousness. So, they will be going to the super consciousness and saying, hey, what is that? That gentleman is 24 hours just taking your name, nothing but. They are complaining to the Creator. Hey, so and so man is always been praising you, chanting you, living with you. Nothing but. He doesn't want anything except you. Message gone to the Creator. Creator was surprised. Who is that gentleman? I don't know. Let me have a look. So many years he didn't come. But when everybody is reporting to him, naturally an intention will come on, let us see. If you are writing 100 letters to your friend, a great person, at least if he is busy, at least one letter he may throw you back. The same way, when so many people are praising about you in front of the Creator has having an interest. Let me have a chance to look at you. जरा देखेंगे क्या है, कौन है वो, देख लो थोड़ा सा, कैसा है वो. So he descends. So he has just knocked the door of this foolish fellow, madman, I call him as. Naturally, the people who are in that state, other people call them mad. Mirabai running in the streets, she's from a great royal family, emperor's daughter, and running in the street. What other people think? Oh, she's the mad girl. And they sing, they will do that. In the beginning, Sai Baba, everybody was thought he's a madman. Without any clothes, this and that. But after that what? That is the innocency, that is the pure consciousness. In that state, you will be in that way. Avadhutal enter kontamandi. So we'll talk avadhutas in separate thing. So the Creator has come. Let witness I, who is that? So he's just knocking the door of this madman. The madman opened the door. What happened? In front of this madman, to whom he is just praising, singing, thinking, surrendering everything to him. After seeing him, oh my God, oh my God, oh my Creator, you are here, you came to me. What a wonderful thing. I can't believe this. Then the Creator says, oh dirty fellow, you are the person always taking my name, always thinking about me. Oh no, such a wonderful kid you are. Come on, let me have a hug. Both will just hugging. So one is that cosmic consciousness. I just forgot, in between there is another consciousness. When in that fifth state of consciousness, always he is just thinking about the God, nothing but. He is always praising to the Creator, the nature. So, at that time, in what type of consciousness he is supposed to be? That is said to be the God consciousness. Sixth state of consciousness is the God consciousness. Nothing but everything within him is the Creator, is the God, my God. God, how he is there, nobody knows, but for me, it is unseen consciousness, pure consciousness. So when you are just praising all these things, so it is the state of God consciousness, that is the sixth state of consciousness. Right? So when you are just in that sixth state of consciousness, always been thinking about him, now the Creator has reached to your door, knocked and witnessed both of you, and you are just hugging together with great love. Then what happened? He is a consciousness. The Creator is the consciousness. He has just entered in you. When you are hugging means he just entered within yourself. Now, what you have become? You have become the Creator itself. You are just establishing within yourself. It doesn't have any shape or size or root or rung. He just hugged to you and entered in your consciousness. Then your consciousness has become the God consciousness. A unity consciousness. When he has just come and hugged together, you have become the Creator itself. The creation has come. The nature has hugged you, established it within yourself. Then you have become the Creator. You have become the God. You have become the unity. Right? So this state is called the unity consciousness. First one is waking consciousness. Second one is dreaming state of consciousness. Third one is sleeping state of consciousness. Fourth one is transcendental consciousness, Turiya Chetana. Fifth one is cosmic consciousness, Turiyatita Chetana. Sixth one is God consciousness. Everywhere, you are just become the mad of him. So when you are just being crossed with this God consciousness, you have come the unity consciousness, Aikya Chetana. Sixth state of consciousness is Aikya Chetana. You have become the Creator itself.